Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, latest fashion trends. Please viewers don't forget to subscribe my channel. Life is not amount of breath. You take its moments that take your breath away. Love is quiet when it's new, but love is most beautiful when it lasts. The truth hurts only once, but a lie hurts every time you remember it. When I said I love you, I meant it. Don't cheat. If you are not happy, just leave. Being in love is like the rain, it's unpredictable. I know I am not perfect, but there is no defect in my love. Love is not what you can receive, it's all about what you can give. Most emotional moment in a boy's life when a girl says, "Can you give me your number?" The two hardest things to say in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. Friendship is not a big thing, it's a million little things. Love is master key that is capable of opening a gate of happiness. If love was easy, there would be almost no music. Love starts with a smile, grows with a kiss, and ends with a tear. I can't read lips unless they are touching mine. Girl, you better have a license because you are driving me crazy. My heart is stolen. Can I check your bra? If you love me, raise your hand, and you don't, then raise your standard. Two things can change a woman mood. I love you, 50% discount. Food, water, sleep, love, WhatsApp, repeat it. She is so fake. If you look behind her neck, I bet it says made in China. An eye with dust and a heart with trust always cries. Don't kiss behind the garden. Love is blind, but the neighbors are not.